What letter is this? It's the letter A. A makes the sound. A as in alligator. What letter is this? It's the letter B. B makes the B sound, as in bear. What letter is this? It's the letter C. C makes the K sound, as in cow. What letter is this? It's the letter D. D makes the D sound, as in the dinosaur. What letter is this? It's the letter E. E makes the sound, as in elephant. What's this letter? It's the letter F. F makes the sound, as in flamingo. It's the letter G. G makes the G sound, as in goat. Let's review this group of letters. A, F, B, C, D, E, F, G, G. What letter is this? It's the letter H. H makes the sound, as in hedgehog. What letter is this? It's the letter I. I makes the sound, as insect. What's this letter? It's the letter J. J makes the J sound, as in jaguar. What's this letter? It's the letter K. K makes the K sound, as in koala. What letter is this? It's the letter L. L makes the L sound, as in lion. What letter is this? It's the letter M. M makes the sound, as in mouse. Let's review the letters in this group. H, I, J, K, L, M, What letter is this? It's the letter N, as in newt. What letter is this? It's the letter O. O makes the sound, as in owl. What letter is this? It's the letter P. P makes the P sound, as in parrot. What letter is this? It's the letter Q. But if you add a U at the beginning, end, makes the sound qu, as Q makes the qu sound, as in quail. What letter is this? It's the letter R. R makes the sound, as in rabbit. What letter is this? It's the letter S. S makes the sound, as in snail. Now let's review this group of letters. N, O, R, P, Q, R, S. Let's keep going. Oh, what's this letter? It's the letter T. T with the T sound as in tiger. What letter is this? It's the letter U. U makes the F sound as in F, umbrella bird. What letter is this? It's the letter V. V makes the V sound as in vulture. What letter is this? It's the letter W. W makes the W sound as in whale. What's this art? It's the letter X. X like sound. Maybe it's a word that ends with the letter X. X ends with X. X and X. X. What letter is this? It's the letter Y. Y makes the U sound as in yak. This is the last letter. It's the letter Z. Z makes Z sound. The last word will be Z, zipper. Well, guys, looks like that was the last two words. Let's sing the alphabet song. I'll be right back.
I'll show you the differences. No, thanks. Sure. This is what I need. Okay.
Yeah, ready? Here we go. Now I know it seems next time won't you think me? Well guys, thanks for learning the older sounds. See you guys, bye.